Do a quick demo of this Figma MCP server and its connection into Cursor. We're just going to implement this kind of simple design. It's laid out nicely in Figma with a lot of auto layouts and things like that, which the MCP server will pick up and hopefully be able to implement in mostly one shot. So I'm going to go ahead and in agent mode, I'm just going to drop a link to the Figma. I copied a link directly to the node by going into Figma and selecting the top level node that I want to implement, copying as a link to the selection, and then dropping it in here. So this looks pretty promising. And so we started from truly a blank page and now we have this. It's not terrible. So I like it. I'm going to go ahead and accept everything. And I'm going to ask for a follow-up. And so obviously this section is not what we want. It's kind of neat. It even pulled the right font from Google. But this section, the process section itself, is not super tight. So what we're going to do is click into the process section. I'm going to go ahead and copy a link to that specifically. And then I'm going to go ahead and start a new chat. It doesn't seem to work super well if you try and give it a new Figma file inside the same chat. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, update the process section. All right, so we'll save that and refresh. Okay, so it's not quite working. I think the issue should be relatively straightforward to resolve, but I think at this point I would probably step in and do things manually. But anyway, kind of helpful.